Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video and talk about some of the definitions that I'll be using. And if you're new to SEO or some parts of SEO, this quick video might just help you get a better understanding of what we're talking about and what we do. So what is a backlink? A backlink in terms of SEO is when you have your own website and you have another website pointing to your website. That means that your website has a backlink. Like, for example, here's a website, Easy Articles, okay? It's an article website. It basically, authors advertise their expertise, their knowledge by writing articles and submitting it to this site. And typically, they do that to link to their own website within the body of the article. And therefore, if someone is interested in what they talk about, the person might want to get more information by clicking on the link. So for example, this woman right here, she wrote an article, and then she linked to her Facebook page here. This would be considered a backlink to this Facebook page. Okay, that's a backlink. Anchor text is when you're looking through an article like this. Let's stop picking on her. Let's pick another article. How about this one right here? Anchor text is usually that blue underlined text that you see in an article, like for here. This link right here, www.financemoneybusiness.com. The actual anchor text here is the text. So if you copy this and you paste it, this right here is the anchor text. It also just happens to be, the website itself. Let me give you a better explanation. I'm sure we'll find something here. It looks like most of these people are just linking to their website. But, all right, well, I'll just go to espn.com. This is a website that's full of anchor text. So is sites like Wikipedia. So here's a link, San Francisco Giants. When you click on the link, it goes to the San Francisco Giants homepage. In this situation, San Francisco Giants, that's the anchor text. This is the text that Google looks at, and this says San Francisco Giants, and when someone clicks this link, it goes to this page. Google then looks at that anchor text, and because it says San Francisco Giants, it assumes that this is about the San Francisco Giants, and it is. Spinning. A lot of people tend to confuse the word spinning with rewriting. People can take an article and then just rewrite the article in their own way, to make it original. But that's not what we're talking about when we talk about spinning. Spinning is an actual writing format that gets inputted into different types of article submission softwares. And what the software does with the spun document is that it spits out unique article after unique article. So when I say that spinning is, let's say there's a sentence that says, I love SEO. Spinning would be changing the words and then changing the sentences and the words within the same document. For example, it would be, instead of I, it could be we. It could be my team. That could be gosh, I. And then love could be like, enjoy, adore, relish, SEO. Different synonyms for SEO. You're basically finding synonyms, right? So SEO could be search engine optimization. Oops. Internet marketing. Check out the format. I use brackets and then close brackets. I meant to put a bracket here. Sorry about that. And then every single one of the words is separated by a pike. So there's programs that recognize this type of format, and I'll show you what they do. Let me pause it and get to that program. Okay, so I went to one of my favorite spinner programs, it's Spin Rewriter, and I pasted in what I just wrote. So it actually was a comma. I'm confusing myself. So this is a format. If I put it into a program that recognizes this format, what does it spit out? It spits out, gosh, I like SEO. Another unique version, I enjoy search engine optimization. Another one, I adore SEO. I relish SEO. I relish search engine optimization. I enjoy SEO. We relish internet marketing. So as you can see, the format that I did, every time something gets randomly generated, it ends up spitting out almost a completely different sentence. And this is called word level spinning. And this is the introductory part of doing spinning. There's also, sentence level where you rewrite the sentence first in a few different ways, and then you start rewriting the words, and you can rewrite phrases, and you can even do paragraph level spinning. And we get as hardcore as humanly possible to make our content as unique and high quality as possible. But I think this is a pretty good introduction. Title of an article. Let me get back to easy in articles. So in terms of a title of an article, very simple. The title is right here. Importance of health and media literacy. If you've ever submitted an article on your own, you know that it has its own title section and then the body section. So this is the title here. You go back and here's another title, a 90-day test to find out if code source could be halted naturally, helping difficult patients, how piano players can stay healthy. These are all titles. Now, that's fine and great, but obviously when we do our work, and if you're working with us, you'll find out that we submit highly spun articles that create hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of unique spins. We need just as many titles for all those articles. So what we end up doing is, if we have a title, we'll end up rewriting it and spinning it and word spinning it, to a high degree, so that whenever an article of ours gets submitted, it doesn't look like it's the same article because of the similar type of title. That's a title. Finally, resource box. This is one of the most important things in article marketing. Resource boxes are usually at the end of an article, and they contain the actual link that you're concerned about. So in article marketing, you have the title up here, the body of the article up here, and then at the end, you have, in most cases, a resource box, like exactly right here. You see at the end what got tagged on here? If you want the best, muscle therapy services, click here at these guys and over here. So this is what they're basically doing. They're writing this article, they're trying to qualify themselves as experts, and then the resource box at the very end says, okay, and if you want more info, click here. Now, there's probably a bunch more examples. Let's see. Fitness as Warship. It's an interesting title, interesting looking guy, and in his case, he actually doesn't have a resource box here. Okay. Personally, I think he's missing out on a great opportunity for a link, but that's fine. Wait, the same guy. All right, let me see if I can find another article about this one. Same guy. Okay, so this guy's been submitting a lot of articles. 6 factors that affect height growth. I might actually read this one afterwards. Here we go, resource box. So, this is Gary. Gary's a freelance article writer. Check out his website here, and it talks about this. But see what he did? This is a resource box. Now, typically, in article marketing, some of the softwares, the way that it works is that you have a section for the title. So you paste in all your spun titles there, and then you have a section for the body of the articles. I mean, the body, of the article. Yeah. You paste the entire spun body in there, And then it says there's a resource box section. So you spin a bunch of resource boxes, you add hyperlinks to it, like this is the anchor text, right? And this is the anchor text, right? And then usually these are typed in by HTML format. And then this is pasted into the resource box section. And what the program ends up doing is that it takes a random title, it takes a random version of the body, it takes a random resource box, and it spits out an entirely new article just like this. And it does this hundreds of times to different websites. And that's the general idea of article marketing. You end up getting all these backlinks, like I talked about, and Google ends up reading the anchor text, and it says, okay, this guy has a website that talks about how to grow naturally. Next time someone Googles the keyword, how do I grow taller? This website might pop up because it has a lot of authority and a lot of people across the internet are linking to it. Okay, and that's about it for this lesson.